Okay, just gonna swap out the speaker on this boat today. Whole Rockford Hertz system combined. One blown speaker, got to check polarity. Okay, so half the bolts are missing and the silicone was pulled out. So we're gonna replace the silicone, replace the bolts, swap in the new speaker, see how it sounds. And back to normal. Tested it with the speaker checker, polarity checker, made sure they're in phase. That amp runs that zone. And we didn't do this install. I'm very glad I didn't have to try and ram 3 amps into a tiny spot like this. It would not have been a fun time. And have a good one.
This is what was going through and powering that can. Right to ground, crimp, black tape, Molex, more black tape.